Babe, what are you doing with the mirror?
Oh.
That goes on the truck. That's not to put makeup on.
Sorry.
Babe, give me the mirror. Give me the.
Sorry. Sorta. Not really.
Give me the damn mirror. Good evening and welcome to the channel. Today we have a great video for you, and it's going to be really reflective. Keep watching. Alright, so as you can see here on these mirrors, they're kind of raggedy. Got a pretty big gap in here. You know, it doesn't come back properly and all that. So what we got here was some shiny new upgrades. So there we have it. Nice new mirror.
I'm going to interrupt the
Oh shit! Knee buckle customs in the house.
Well.
Hold my mirror for me. There you go. Hold it up high.
Sure.
So in this video, we will just replace these mirrors. Not a big deal. Inside the panel door here, just pop this little piece off, and the bolts are right there. Pop that off without tearing it up. Pull the insulation out. God, that's a lot of insulation. And you can see 1, 2, 3. And that's it. So let's get started. Alright, the 3 bolts in here, it's a number 10. And what I'm going to use here is a easy red stick, we call them. So you can kind of get it down in here like this. It's kind of hard to reach in here. And if you drop these, of course they're going to go all the way down in the door, so you might need a magnet so that you don't lose them. Once you just break them loose, just use your magnet, kind of go around it in a circle till you get it off. That's what I use. If not, you'll drop one and then you'll wish you didn't and all that stuff. Clean up my magnet here. Alright. See how you get it loose, you just there's one. These other 2 are not as bad. top one you can go straight on. can see here, so you don't really have to have a magnet for it. But we're gonna use one anyway. There we go. Alright, so this other one, have to put it all right somewhere where you can see it. Now you can just kind of work it loose like that, hold your mirror up, and now I got it loose. And then you can just take your magnet and rotate that one all the way. Yeah, them headers, they get super hot, I noticed. Once you get those 3 nuts out, she just slides right off. There we go. Now you can film yourself again. Now you got a textured one.
Not in that mirror.
A mirror that nobody will ever own. We could probably resell it to some joker. Now look, now we got the shaved, clean, no mirror look. Oh yeah, she's earless. That's it. Slapped a new one on. Let's get it out of the old package here. Now if you notice on here, there's an L for left side. And also on your old one, there's a little gasket. You want to pull that off. Or she might leak water. There we go. This is your ring foams. Slide this right back in. Say what? that shit she's talking, folks.
It's legit stuff. I'm just saying. Babe will come back with painter's brushes and doing whole house brushes, and I need detail brushes.
Alright, so basically those two you can kind of reach by hand and get them started. Now that one, not so much, so I'm gonna put it back on the old magnet so we don't lose it. Get it on there like so, and then basically just use your magnet to get it started so you don't lose it. And once you get it started like that, then you can reach in there and get it rolling. If not, you'll drop them down in that door, and then you got to dissect the whole door to get to it. And it'll go from a 5-minute job to a freaking hour job. Alright, so these studs are a little bit longer, so I'm going to have to get a deep socket or a 10mm wrench. So let's look for the 10mm ratcheting wrench. So we could use these two as well versus a socket. Got these from Harbor Freight. Alright, there we have it. Basically, you just stick your phone back in here and your little cover on, and you're good to go. Alright, so that does it for this episode. That's basically repeat the same process on the passenger side, so we won't go through it. But that's it for installing mirrors on a C1500. Just remember, magnet is your best friend. So stay tuned for tomorrow for another upload on our boxes of goodies. We'll try to pick and see what we'll do tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. So, what do we say, drivers?
Keep it simple, keep it sweet.
Till next time.